Welcome. Today we are mastering the trim tool in AICADGIS. Let's launch the workspace and dive right in. First, head over to the left-hand toolbar and select the trim tool. Select your boundary object and right-click to confirm. Hover over the section you want to remove. It will highlight in red, and click to trim. You can also drag a blue selection box to easily trim multiple sections at once. You can also set multiple boundaries. Select your boundary lines and right-click to confirm. Now, simply click the segments trapped between them to trim. For even faster editing, click and drag the blue selection box to clear out multiple segments all at once. Next, let's look at intersecting lines. Select multiple crossing objects and right-click to confirm your selection. Notice how these selected lines can act as both the boundaries and the actual objects being trimmed. Just click on any extending segments you want to remove to perfectly clean up the intersection. The trim tool also works flawlessly across different object types. After creating an arc between two tangent lines, select both the tangents and the arc, start the trim tool and right-click to confirm your boundaries. Simply click the excess tangent lines to trim them away, creating a perfectly continuous path. Similarly, let's look at circles. After drawing a circle between two tangent lines, select both the tangents and the circle, then right-click to confirm. Trim away the excess sections of both the circle and the tangents to create a smooth, continuous path. This perfectly demonstrates how different object types can act as both your boundaries and your trimmed objects. Now, let's trim a complex polyline using a single intersecting line as our boundary. Select the line and right-click to confirm. You can remove individual polyline segments by clicking them directly, or drag the blue selection box to clear multiple sections at once. You can also use polylines to trim polygons. Select the two polylines crossing your polygon to set them as your boundaries, and right-click to confirm. Then, simply click on the sections of the polygon you want to remove. This shows how easily you can slice and modify complex shapes. And that's how you master the trim tool. Try it yourself today, and subscribe for more AICADGIS tutorials.